Now, the Reserve Bank of India has said that RBL Bank's financial health remains stable. This after All India Bank Employees Association wrote to Nirmala Sitaraman cautioning on RBL Banks. Now, remember, RBL Bank's bad debts are at the tune of 2,600 crore rupees. Now, this is the latest that is coming in. The Reserve Bank of India, in fact, would like to state that the RBL Bank is well capitalized, and they have gone ahead and said that RBL Bank's financial health remains stable. Now, this has happened after the All India Bank Employees Association had written to Nirmala Sitaraman cautioning on the RBL Bank, the bad debts that amounted to about 2,600 crore rupees. My colleague Hina Gambhir joins me on the broadcast. Hina, what does it mean for the stakeholders and the depositors now?
Well, with the RBI statement that has come out today, and RBI very clearly mentioning that RBL Bank's financial health is stable, so depositors need not really worry. In fact, yesterday when Mirror Now first broke this story, the emphasis was on this fact only, that as of now, depositors do not need to worry. It seems that the RBI, the Reserve Bank of India, wants to monitor the financial health, the governance issue in the bank, and that's the reason why somebody from RBI has been appointed on the board of RBL Bank. So at least depositors need not worry. That's the first takeaway of this particular statement. In fact, now the fact that RBI has come out with a statement also tells us how important this entire issue is for the RBI. And RBI in the statement is saying that with respect to speculation related to private sector lender RBL Bank in the wake of recent concerning events surrounding the bank, the central bank has said that RBL Bank is well capitalized. Financial position of the bank remains satisfactory. Depositors and other stakeholders do not really need to react to speculative reports. In fact, there was certain speculation relating to the RBL Bank because the MD and CEO had gone on leave suddenly. So that is one of the reasons why questions were being raised. Rajiv Ahuja was elevated as the interim MD and CEO of the bank, succeeding Vishwavir Ahuja, who went on medical leave. On the other hand, we saw Yogesh Dayal, RBI's Chief General Manager, being appointed as to RBL's board by the central bank for a period of 2 years. Its shares also tumbled today. So there was a bit of concern as to, if everything is okay with this bank. But RBI now coming out with a statement should be an assurance for the depositors. Rest, we'll see what happens in the days to come.
Right, Hina. Thank you so much for joining us with all those details.